G'day, Pinball here. Got this awesome Evva 3KS. Real nice. Internally, this is one of my favourite locks. Most precise. I've got this multi-pick tensioner designed for Evva bobs. What do you call them? Wafers. And I axed this. Poor multi-pick because it's nice and thin. Right, got this bash. I got this as a backup because it's really hard to see. Oh, it's normally if we've got a double, single, double, single, double, single. Find my eye dominance makes it quite difficult, and I get parallax looking down, so I find it hard to keep track of where everything is. So I'm just trying to go along and feel for clicks or something. The slider's really feeling for binding sliders, same as everything. And I'm not really getting anything, but I guess since I'm tensioning clockwise, I really should start on that side. A lot of blinking going on. Oh, that's a good binder. Oh, that's a really good binder. That feels like it's on a true gate because now it's doing this clicky thing. Oh, sounded good. Well, that was also really good. See, I probably should start on the left hand side. I find the right hand side really hard to see. I don't think that first one should be that high. Nope, it's gone back into a binder. Upset that one when I set the second one. Ooh, that feels better, but now the first one's back where it was. Or is it? Might be levering off that too hard. Oh, that probably doesn't help that I have my pick around the wrong way. Well, there's some beautiful binders in that lot. On the left there. Oh, that was nice. Okay. I'm gonna do, yeah. Well, there you have it. Well, that's a relief, honestly. This is the mission. In terms of left and right eye, dominant eye, not being able to see down the keyway walls is awesome. Alright, I've got the key. So I'm going to close that back up. Oh, I guess that's... Why does it do that? I guess the sliders are just are where they are. How cool. Right. Adjust the focus. Bring this down a bit. Went to tap the lock to adjust the focus. Didn't work like that, does it? I don't have a gutting key, but another one I've got of these, it just wants to come apart. So I'm pretty sure if I just keep them mostly centered, yeah, oops, steady. Right, so in this orientation, should really show that actually. So that's as it came out. Ow, those tweezers are sharp. That's how it was sitting. So that interacts with the key like so. Sidebar 1, and that's it at the bottom. So this is the left sidebar. And so if we say that that's sitting at the bottom, that'll be that left side. And then that's the right sidebar, they're symmetrical. Now we get to the fun stuff. This is always interested me, this little element in here, but we won't go on to that. Now I'm going to go I'll just come actually now. Yeah, we'll do that in that same orientation. This is incredible, the quality of this. Right, now we have what I'll do is I'll just bring this up here and then we'll do each pin close. So that shows the false gate and the true gate. False gate and true gate. True gate obviously being a double. False gate and a true gate. False gate and a true gate. False gate on the other side. Compared with the other ones. False gate and a true gate. Back to the original orientation. False gate and a true gate. And on the other side, false gate and a true gate. No falsies, but one single true gate, smack in the middle. False gate and a true gate. Ooh, turn that one back around. Okay, so it would be, oh, it's alright. Stayed on the tray. Hopefully that's alright. False gate and a true gate. False gate and true gate. False gate and true gate. Thanks for watching.